Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Du's English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We're really happy you're here today.
If you're new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe to Du's English.
Yes, it really helps us, and more importantly, it helps you practice real English.
Today's topic is very important. We're going to talk about emotions.
Yes, today you'll learn how to describe emotions in English.
How do you say how you feel? Happy, sad, angry, tired?
Don't worry, we'll go step by step. Short sentences, easy examples.
Listen, discuss, listen again. You're already learning. Good job. James, how are you today?
I'm feeling happy today.
Nice. Everyone, listen. I feel happy.
Repeat after me. I feel happy.
Great job. We feel happy when something good happens.
For example, I feel happy when I drink coffee in the morning.
My example, I feel happy when I talk to my friends.
Simple, real, very common.
Now let's talk about the opposite. What is the opposite of happy?
Sad.
Yes. Listen. I feel sad.
Repeat. I feel sad.
Good job. We feel sad when something bad happens.
Example, I feel sad when it rains all day.
My example, I feel sad when I miss my family.
That's normal. Feeling sad is okay.
Yes, all feelings are okay. Next emotion, angry.
Listen, I feel angry.
Repeat slowly. I feel angry.
Nice. Angry is a strong feeling.
Example, I feel angry when someone is rude.
My example, I feel angry when my internet is very slow.
Oh yes, that makes many people angry. Now, an emotion we feel very often. Tired.
Listen, I feel tired.
And repeat. I feel tired.
Great. We feel tired when we have no energy.
Example, I feel tired after work.
My example, I feel tired in the morning.
Same here. I need coffee. Let's talk about a happy emotion. Excited.
Excited means happy about the future.
Listen, I feel excited.
Repeat, I feel excited.
Nice. Example, I feel excited about my vacation.
My example, I feel excited to learn English.
That's wonderful. You should feel excited. You're already improving. Now a common feeling for English learners. Nervous.
Listen, I feel nervous.
Repeat. I feel nervous.
Good job. Nervous means a little scared.
Example, I feel nervous before an exam.
My example, I feel nervous when I speak English.
That's okay. Feeling nervous means you care. Let's practice together. James, I'll give you a situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
You work all day. You go home. How do you feel?
I feel tired.
Perfect. Everyone say it. I feel tired.
Next situation. You get good news.
I feel happy. I feel excited.
Excellent. You're doing great.
So far, we have learned some basic emotion words.
Happy, sad, angry, tired, excited.
These words are very common in daily life.
Try to use them today. Even one sentence is enough.
For example, I feel happy today. Or, I feel tired after work.
Good job for practicing with us.
Now, we'll learn more emotions and how to sound more natural in English.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, how are you feeling right now?
One word is totally fine.
We're excited to read your answers.
Our next word is frustrated.
Listen, I feel frustrated.
Repeat slowly. I feel frustrated.
Good job. Frustrated means you try, but it doesn't work.
Example, I feel frustrated when my phone is very slow.
My example, I feel frustrated when I don't understand a question.
That's very common for learners. Don't worry, you're doing great. Next emotion, worried.
Listen, I feel worried.
Repeat. I feel worried.
Nice. Worried means you think a lot about a problem.
Example, I feel worried about my exam.
My example, I feel worried when my family is sick.
That's very natural. Talking about it can help. Now a nice feeling. Relaxed.
Listen, I feel relaxed.
Repeat. I feel relaxed.
Excellent. Relaxed means calm and peaceful.
Example, I feel relaxed on Sunday morning.
My example, I feel relaxed after a hot shower.
That sounds so nice. Next word, bored.
Listen, I feel bored.
Repeat. I feel bored.
Good job. Bored means nothing is interesting.
Example, I feel bored at long meetings.
My example, I feel bored when I wait too long.
Yes, waiting can be boring. James, how do you feel after work?
I feel tired and a little frustrated
Why?
because I have many tasks.
I understand. Everyone, listen again.
I feel tired and frustrated.
How do you feel on Sunday morning?
I feel relaxed and happy.
That's great. Everyone repeat. I feel relaxed and happy.
Nice job.
How do you feel before an exam?
I feel nervous and worried.
Perfect answer. That's real English. In real life, we often feel two emotions.
For example, I feel excited and nervous.
Or, I feel tired but happy.
Let's practice together.
You finish your work early and watch TV.
I feel relaxed and happy.
Great job.
You wait for important news.
I feel nervous and worried.
Excellent. You're thinking in English now.
Don't worry if you forget words.
Even simple sentences are powerful.
I feel good. I feel bad. That's a great start.
Then, slowly, you can say, I feel relaxed. I feel frustrated.
You're learning step by step, and we're proud of you. Today, we learned more emotions.
Frustrated, worried, relaxed, bored.
And we practiced real conversations.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, how do you feel today and why?
Example, I feel tired because I worked all day. Or, I feel happy because it's the weekend.
1 or 2 sentences are perfect.
Thank you for learning with Ju's English.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
You're doing amazing. See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.